Bias in AI, why it matters and what we can do about it. Namaskar friends. Welcome to AI for All. Let's start. Ever wondered if the technology making decisions about your life is fair? Artificial intelligence is changing the world, but it's not always neutral. Let's explore the hidden biases in AI and how we can build a more equitable future. AI is rapidly transforming various aspects of our lives. From recommending movies to approving loan applications, AI algorithms are increasingly making decisions that impact us all. However, AI algorithms are susceptible to biases from their creators and the data they are trained on. This means that AI can unintentionally perpetuate and even amplify existing societal inequalities. This bias can lead to unfair and discriminatory outcomes. Imagine being denied a loan or misidentified by law enforcement because of a biased algorithm. Addressing AI bias is a critical issue. It's essential for ensuring fairness, equality, and trust in the technologies that are shaping our world. Bias primarily stems from the data used to train AI systems. AI learns from patterns in data, so if the data is biased, the AI will be too. AI learns and perpetuates existing societal biases reflected in the data. Think of it like teaching a child. If you only show them one perspective, that's all they'll know. Lack of representative data leads to skewed outcomes. If a dataset primarily includes information from one demographic group, the AI will likely perform poorly for others. Let's look at some specific examples of how AI bias manifests in the real world. These examples highlight the potential for harm and the urgent need for solutions. Facial recognition systems are trained primarily on images of white faces. This historical bias has significant consequences for people of color. Because of this skewed training, these systems struggle to accurately identify individuals with darker skin tones. This can lead to misidentification and potential wrongful arrests. This isn't just a theoretical problem, it has real-world implications for justice and public safety. Imagine the stress and fear of being wrongly identified by law enforcement. AI-powered recruitment tools are often trained on historical hiring data favoring male candidates. This perpetuates existing gender imbalances in the workplace. These tools unfairly screen out qualified female applicants. Even if a woman is equally or more qualified, the AI might penalize her based on biased patterns in the data. This perpetuates gender inequality in the workplace. It limits opportunities for women and reinforces outdated stereotypes about who is best suited for certain roles. AI in loan applications can discriminate against certain demographic groups. This can have devastating consequences for individuals and communities. These systems often reflect historical lending practices that favored certain groups over others. This perpetuates cycles of inequality and limits access to financial resources. Imagine being denied a loan not because of your creditworthiness, but because of your race or ethnicity. This is the reality for many people due to biased AI. The impact of biased AI extends far beyond individual cases. It reinforces existing inequalities in various sectors and erodes trust in technology. In healthcare, biased AI leads to inaccurate diagnosis. If an AI is trained on data that doesn't represent diverse populations, it may misdiagnose or mistreat patients from underrepresented groups. This can have life-threatening consequences. Imagine an AI misdiagnosing a rare disease in a patient from a minority group because it was trained primarily on data from white patients. In education, biased AI results in unequal access to educational opportunities. AI-powered tools used for grading or student placement can perpetuate existing biases and limit opportunities for certain students. This can create a self-fulfilling prophecy, where students from disadvantaged backgrounds are further marginalized by biased technology. It's crucial to ensure that AI in education promotes equity, not inequality. In the criminal justice system, biased AI causes unfair sentencing. Algorithms used to predict recidivism, the likelihood of reoffending, have been shown to be biased against certain racial groups. This can lead to harsher sentences for individuals from these groups, perpetuating cycles of incarceration and inequality. The stakes are incredibly high when AI is used to make decisions about people's freedom. Biased AI erodes trust in AI technologies. When people see that AI systems are unfair or discriminatory, they lose faith in the technology and its potential benefits. It also exacerbates social divisions. By reinforcing existing inequalities, biased AI can deepen divides between different groups and undermine social cohesion. Fortunately, there are strategies we can implement to mitigate AI bias. These strategies focus on improving data quality, promoting transparency, and ensuring ongoing monitoring and evaluation. Ensuring training datasets are representative of diverse populations is crucial. This means actively seeking out and incorporating data from underrepresented groups. Actively seeking out and incorporating data from underrepresented groups is essential. This requires a proactive approach to data collection and a commitment to inclusivity. Understanding how AI systems make decisions is vital. This involves identifying and correcting biases hidden within algorithms. Utilizing explainable AI, XAI, techniques can help. XAI aims to make AI decision-making more transparent and understandable, allowing us to identify and address biases more effectively. Continuously assessing the performance of AI systems is essential. This involves identifying instances of bias and establishing clear metrics for fairness and accountability. Implementing mechanisms for redress when biases are detected is also crucial. This ensures that individuals who are harmed by biased AI I have a way to seek justice and compensation. Addressing AI bias is a societal challenge, not just a technical one. It requires collaboration between researchers, developers, policymakers, and the public. By understanding the problem and actively working to mitigate bias, we can harness the power of AI while ensuring it serves all of humanity fairly and equitably. Holding AI systems accountable is paramount. We need to establish clear standards and regulations to ensure that AI is used responsibly and ethically. Ready to take action? Learn more about AI ethics, support organizations working to combat bias, and demand transparency from companies using AI. Share this video to raise awareness, and let's build a future where AI benefits everyone, not just a select few. Together, we can create a more just and equitable world powered by AI.